Hello friends, welcome to this series of Learning Python. My name is Kapil Shukla, and in today's session we'll be covering how to install Python and Pycharm community version on Windows. To install Python, we will need the Python installer, which can be downloaded from Python's official website www.python.org. On the home page, you can find the download menu, which allows you to download the current stable version of Python. For our course, we are using the Python 3. So I'll choose the current Python 3 version, which is 3.6.5. To save some time, I've already downloaded the Python. To begin the installation, I will open up this executable file, which will start the Python installer. This will open up a Python installation wizard. This wizard will present you the default options for installation, like the directory on your computer where you want to install the Python. First, I'm going to select this option to add Python 3.6 to the path and select on custom installation as I want to change the location where Python will be installed on my computer. I'm going to leave these options as default and click on next and choose the directory as C drive. I'm also going to select this precompiled standard library just to make sure that the compiled version of the standard library modules are already included. I'll click on this install to proceed with the installation. Once the Python installation is complete, you can close this wizard and verify the Python installation via a command prompt. If I type Python on my command prompt, this will take me to the Python interpreter, and on the very top it will also show me the version of the Python which is installed on my computer. I'll exit from this now. This completes the installation of the Python.
Now I will start installing Pycharm Community Edition. I will be using Jetbrains Toolbox to install Pycharm. Jetbrains Toolbox allows you to manage all their product offerings and future upgrades. I'll be downloading Jetbrains Toolbox from Jetbrains website, which is www.jetbrains.com.
On the main page, you will see this Tools menu, and at the very bottom, you can see the Toolbox app icon. Click on this icon, and it will redirect you to the next page, where you can download the Toolbox app installer as per your operating system. As I'm on Windows, I'll be downloading the executable file. In order to save some time, I've already downloaded this file, so let me just straight away go to the file and begin this installation. I have the installer here. I'll open this file by double-clicking on it to begin the installation. It presents me with a wizard. I'm just going to follow the instructions on the wizard and click on Next. And click on Finish to finish the installation. At this time, I definitely want to run the Toolbox so that I can install the Pycharm Community Edition from the Toolbox. Now, Jetbrains is going to present me with its privacy policy. I'm going to accept this without checking on this text box which says sends anonymous usage statistics to Jetbrains. I'm going to skip the login part for now. As you will see, the toolbox presents with all the products offerings from Jetbrains. You can scroll down to look for Pycharm, and when you see the Pycharm Community Edition, you can click on the Install button. Pycharm Community Edition is being downloaded, and it's indicating that it will take about a few minutes to complete this installation. Pycharm is fully downloaded, and now my system is trying to install the Pycharm community version. Pycharm community version is fully installed, and I can verify this installation by accessing this from the Start menu. Pycharm is starting, and it is asking if I have any previous settings, which I don't, so I'll go with the default option of do not import any settings. I can select which theme I want. For now, I will go with the light theme. And I'll click on Start using Pycharm to open the Pycharm. For now, I will begin with creating a new project. I'm going to specify the directory where my project information will be stored. Pycharm has this wonderful feature of showing you the tip of the day, where it provides you some useful information on how to use Pycharm and various other features. I'll let Pycharm finish its setting up, and then I will show you how to configure the Python interpreter in the Pycharm. I'm going to close this tip of the day for now. I'll go to the file, then go to the settings. A settings dialog box will open. You go to the projects menu and select project interpreter. Pycharm has already picked up the Python 3.6 version which I installed previously, and it is now indicating that this Python version will be used as default interpreter, which is fine with me. But if you want to add any other Python interpreter, you can click on this plus sign and locate the Python interpreter you want to use, and I'll click on OK. Pycharm installation process is now complete, and we are ready to write code into Pycharm and begin our journey for learning Python. Thank you so much.
If you are finding these videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos. If you have any suggestion or feedback, please let me know via your comments so I can enhance or improve on these videos. You can also share these videos with anyone who wants to learn Python. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.